This plover is called a killdeer, but this bird doesn't go around murdering any deer. The common name killdeer was given to this bird on some twisted notion that a call from the bird sounds like kill deer. Let's have a listen. Do you hear it? I just don't hear it. Noisy plover was a better common name given to this bird by 18th century naturalists, though I have some other name suggestions. Kill ear, because that could get annoying fast. Squeaker, that's just practical. Hiccups, because this bird legit looks like it gets the hiccups when it sees a predator at a distance.
Hiccup.
And finally, booty bouncer, because look at that skill. And you're welcome to suggest something better.